I'm going to be using some mother of pearl squares that are readily available, and I will link these in the description below. Look at them, they are so beautiful. Look at that. How beautiful are those? I'm going to be seeing how well they work in the straight edged molds. So this is a little Trinket pot mold, and this is a ordinary pot mold to put pens and things like that in. Mother of pearl is all cured up now, and I'm ready to take it out of its mould. Now, what you can see here is in this one, I used a lot of little shards in it as well to kind of fill in the gaps. And I think what I wish I'd done was, rather than put the whole squares in, I actually think I wish I'd made it all shards and done it, but we'll see. But the mother of pearl comes out beautiful, and it really does add to that shine that is already there in those iridescent colours. So that's the lid to this pot. Now, oh dear, I did over pour slightly on this pot, but that's not a problem. We can soon take care of that. And I do have a tendency, as you can see, to over pour, and it's ever so easy to rectify. All you need to do is take your burring tool like this and just take small bits off it until you've got it level, and it won't damage your mould that way, and it also won't damage what you've cast, and it'll still give it a really nice finish. See here, I've got a bit here that's a bit long, and these burring tools are brilliant. So if you haven't got one, I will link it in the description below, and that way you can easily get hold of one. And there we go, Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt, and that's all nicely cleaned up. So that lid now sits onto that pot, and let's do the other pot and see how this one come out. Oh, that's come out really pretty. It has sunk to the bottom where the mould is upside down, but actually I really do quite like it. I think it's given a great effect. It'll be good to pop little pens or trinkets and bits and pieces in. See, that's how I would have liked the whole thing. But again, I wish I'd done this one in more of a broken up bits rather than just using the squares. But we live and learn. In the future, that's probably what I will do. But there we go. That's the pots finished, and I really like them. Let me know in the comments what you think and how you feel the mother of pearl come out. I'm really always interested to know, because I learn loads from the comments, and so do other people. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Be sure to check out the video that I'm linking at the end here, which is using sea glass, and it came out brilliantly. If you'd like to buy me a coffee just to say thank you for any of my videos, it is very much appreciated. It's the people that buy me coffees and the members that keep me able to buy things and keep this channel going. Take care, enjoy your resin, bye.